Hello dear friends, today we will learn how to draw a line through a simple project. So to do this project, what we need to do to activate the line command. We can activate the line command in different ways, but here we will see through ribbon and command window. So if you go to the draw panel, you see there is an icon or also text is written line. So if we click on it, then line command is activated. So after clicking at anywhere of this screen, we can draw a line. After clicking on the screen, a rubber band is created. So for a time being, escape this command after pressing the ESC button. We can activate the same command line through the command window. To activate, go to the command window, click on it, type L, hit enter. Again the line command has been activated. So click at any place on the screen, rubber band has created. To draw this line of unit 3 and at angle 0 with reference to the x-axis, we have to go to the command window, type at unit 3 at angle 0 and hit enter. You see a line has been created with unit and at angle 0. Now we are going to draw a line of unit 1 at angle 90 degree with reference of x-axis. So again you write at unit 1 angle 90 degree, hit enter. This line has been created. Now we will draw an inclined line with a specified angle. So the unit of this the length of this line is 1.8 and angle of this line with reference to x-axis 146 degree. So type at 1.8 angle 146, hit enter. This line has been created. We will draw the rest of this line. Type at 1.5 unit length, angle 180 degree, hit enter. In type at angle length 2, angle 270 degree with reference to the x-axis, hit enter. So this geometry has been created. Here if I zoom a little bit, you can see this line and this line did not join. It may be due to the mismatch of the length of line. So don't worry about it. What I teach you, just practice in your house. And here you see one icon is there. Click on it. Its color will be blue. Then it will activate. After activating, go to the line command. Click on it. Here you click. Now we'll draw this length of line 1.5. One thing you notice that when you click on this ortho command, the time the line is constrained to 90 degree. Cursor down. What we need to do, just need to type here length 2 and hit enter, and take this cursor at right side and type 3, hit enter. Just do a little bit pan, take this cursor upside, type 1, hit enter, right button. You see there is a one option is there, close. You will click on this close, so this line and angle is accurately placed.